Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Google Drive and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct account if you use more than one. Next, locate the file in My Drive, Shared Drives, or Shared with Me and select it. Single-click on desktop or long press on mobile. Once selected, pause and confirm it's the correct item by checking the file name, size, and owner. Then either press Delete on desktop, tap the trash icon, or open the three-dot menu to reveal the delete option. This begins the removal process. Once you initiate deletion, you need to confirm what kind of removal you're performing and why. If you own the file, remove moves it to trash. If you're not the owner, remove only removes it from your drive view. Others retain access. Before finalizing, check version history and details to ensure you're not discarding a needed revision. On desktop, use Shift+Delete to bypass trash for immediate permanent deletion. But be careful, because you cannot recover permanently deleted files through Drive after that step. To finish, open Trash and choose Empty Trash to permanently remove files and free storage space. This is necessary to complete deletion when you're the owner. If you can't delete or the file reappears, make sure you're the owner and check shared drives or folder-level permissions that may prevent permanent removal. Also confirm your Google Workspace admin hasn't restricted deletions. If things go wrong, restore from trash within 30 days if available, and contact your admin for items in shared drives or restricted accounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.